Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and this is Budget with Taylor. Here on my channel I create budgeting and savings content designed to help you stay organized, motivated, and financially confident while keeping it cute and intentional. So if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe before we begin. Okay y'all, so we're gonna get straight into it. So I'm excited, curious, nervous. This is actually my first planner haul subscription, and we will actually be unboxing the 8Lotus March Deluxe Subscription Box. The subscription is pretty pricey. It was $60. So when I saw this little tiny box in the mail, I was just like, I don't know. So I'm really hoping that this box does not disappoint me. I am slowly but surely trying to get back into planning. I'm trying to get back into just stationery in general. So I thought like this would be like a good way for me to start. Plus I was already eyeing a few things on their website. So I figured let me try a subscription box. So I decided to go with them first. I don't know if I'm going to keep the subscription. However, I have already been charged for April. Their payment scheduling is kind of weird to me. It's like months in advance. So yeah, so as far as May, I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but let's just see. I do have a whole list of like planners and websites and all that stuff that I really want to try, like subscription box, and one of them is also cloth and paper. So yeah, I'm definitely excited yet curious, because for $60, yeah, all I'm saying is better be worth it. So let's get straight into it, and I hope you guys are having a great day. I have not opened this yet. I just cut it open and it's so cute. I love this. I really want to add like this logo like on the inside of my boxes when people order from me. Okay, so let's get into it. Oh, that came off easily. Okay. All right. So again, this is the March subscription box, and I really have not seen a lot of 8Lotus like planning videos, so I'm not really sure if they're like a big company, but I've seen like one or two videos, but not like a whole lot of videos, but I have seen them before. So that's just very curious, and the fact that it seems like their subscription box, it is always out of stock. So let's see. So first up, we do have this thank you card. I love the text, like how it's like spread out. Okay, and it just says thank you for supporting our studio. And then we have this March, because it is the March subscription box. You get a March little planner card. So definitely we'll be using that. Okay. So it looks like we have a little quote, and it says financial peace is the real luxury. So that's cute. Okay. And it looks like, what is this? Dashboard. Oh, okay. So it looks like it gives you a breakdown as to what is included in the subscription for March 2026. So it looks like for the dashboards, we got a monthly dashboards, a geometric shadows, your body, your temple, modern botanical. I'm probably saying that wrong. We have planner inserts. We have a daily grid and list, a dual grid meal planner. Okay, meal planner. Okay, movement tracker. And then it says accessories, because I have the deluxe, I'm assuming, because it has deluxe. It says accessories pack, workout planner cards. Okay. Because y'all know I'm trying to get on my workout game. Dot grid sticky notes, mini label stickers, and a Maru liner. I don't know. I can't read. All right. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so so this must be the liner. Okay, all right. Yeah, I really don't know how to unbox a planner subscription. Like this is all new. This is all new to me. All right, so we have the, okay, so it says workout. So this must be is it the workout planner cards? That's interesting. So it looks like it's just workout cards. I guess, so do I use this on the days that I work out, and then I just circle the month that I work out, so like my goal for the month? That's neat. Okay, so I'm assuming there must be 12 cards, or maybe not, maybe a little bit more, because these feel very thick. Okay, so you get 20 of the workout planner cards. Okay, this is neat. I've never seen anything like that before. So then next we have the dotted grid sticky note. This is actually very, very neat as well. I have been loving like the grid. So the fact that this is like a sticky note, this is neat. I actually like this. Like I like this a lot. To the point to where it's like, I don't even think I want to use it because it's just neat. Like that's different. Okay. Okay, so it looks like this is like a fitness box from what I can see. So then we have a fitness mini labels. So the mini label stickers. This is actually, it's like a full circle moment only because hopefully that video's out. No, it's actually not out yet, so let me not say anything. No, that video should be out. But when I did my planner haul and I showed you guys everything that I got, and it had like a lot of like workout stuff, especially from Princess Budgets. So I feel like it's all coming together. Okay, so it says March intentions: be physically active, prioritize sleep, eat well, and stay hydrated. Definitely. I like this. I love this green. Okay. So then it looks like we have a little planner card, a little gym photo. I don't know what I'm trying to say, y'all. And then we have, is it avocados? I thought those were apples. Oh, they are apples. There's apples, avocados. It looks like, so a whole bunch of greens. So like your fruits, your vegetables, all of that. And then we have a glass of water. So this month box clearly is just focusing on being physically active. That came right on time. And then we have a eat well, stay hydrated, prioritize sleep. And then we have this March, I don't know what you call this, but I like it. Okay. Okay. All right, so this is what I'm mostly excited about. This is what I want. That's pretty. All right, so it looks like these are the dashboards. All right, so you have the monthly dashboard. So ooh. Okay, I need to make sure my hands are not oily because that, my friend, this is pretty. It's vellum, but yet it's like a glossy type vellum. I like this. Like, I like this a lot. And then this is supposed to be the geometric shadow dashboard, which I definitely need some dashboards. That's a cute little stack. And then we have a move your body. So I'm definitely going to be using this for my workout section in my planner. That's pretty. I like that. That is pretty. Move your body. And then we have just a March for like the greenery plus St. Patrick's Day. Okay. So that's cute. I really, the videos that I saw that they had, I saw the February unboxing, which I thought was so pretty. And I'm so mad that I didn't, like, again, they were like sold out. And then I got the email saying like, hey, we're now open and taking orders if you're still interested. So I missed the February subscription box, but it was so pretty. So those are the dashboards. And then we have some inserts. So let's get into that. So it looks like, ooh, I love this paper. This paper feels really nice. So we have a daily plan. Okay, we have a today. It looks like it just says today. So this is all the daily plan. Oh, it's all daily plan. So you get a good bit sheets of that. And we have some note grid paper, which I have been loving. I really hope you guys can see this. You would think after what, a year on YouTube, I would get the hang of like showcasing things to y'all. All right, so we have this meal plan, and it starts with the Monday, of course. If you know me, you know that if you know me, then you know that I do not like a Monday planner start date. Something about it, I just don't like it. All right, so we have the meal plan, and then we have the movement tracker. And it looks like you have your month, your goals, your strength, your cardio, and your steps. So I like how they have it from the 1st to the 31st, and then you just write in your month, and it's front and back. So I like it. I don't know, this, like I said, this is my first subscription box. Personally, okay. If we're looking at everything, I feel as though, in my opinion, no, is not worth $60. Again, in my opinion, as far as like just looking at everything that we got. However, I can see why it is $60 because materials are expensive. Materials are expensive. So you got really good quality paper. These inserts sheets, I'm pretty sure, are not cheap at all. And then you have the glossy vellum dashboards. You got planner cards. So I can see how it all adds up to $60. I can definitely see. But just looking at everything, so, but I get it. I definitely get it, and I'm not mad at all about it. Like, I'm not mad at all. So I get both sides. I get the seller side because it's like you have to, you know, make some type of profit off of your products. But then also from the buyer side, I get it. So let's see, is that everything? Is that everything? Okay, so I believe that is it. Okay, so this is everything that came inside of the subscription box, and I have the deluxe. So I'm pretty sure if this is the deluxe, then I guess right here will tell me like what items, maybe I'm wrong, are not included. So I guess like the accessory pack, the workout planner cards, the dotted grid. So everything here is included in the deluxe. So if you have, I guess, like a lower subscription box, I guess you just get everything up here and not all of this. So that's cool. So I'm definitely now like more excited to put together my planner because I have not put together my planner yet for March. I definitely will be using this March dashboard for my half letter planner. So I'm excited. I'm excited. And these inserts, if I'm being honest, I probably need to have like a little like box of like collection where I can like store my inserts just in case like I don't use everything, because I definitely don't see me using all of this in the month of March. But then also like I do like the fact that there are a lot of sheets, so it won't feel as though like I'm running through them so quickly, if that makes sense. Because it's like if they only gave us like 5 sheets each, and yet I'm like filling it up every month, and that only covers like 5 months. But this looks like it will last us for like a year, especially if we don't use it every month. Hopefully I'm making sense. I really hope I'm making sense. But yeah, you guys, that is it. I'm not gonna talk you guys' head off. I just really wanted to unbox and show you guys what came inside of the 8Lotus subscription box. Again, this is my first time doing a planner unboxing. It's like I'm excited, but it's just like I don't know. Maybe I was expecting a little bit more. Maybe I kind of like hype myself up like a little bit because one, I am excited to do my planner setup. So I felt like this was like the final item that was like missing before I actually sat down and planned it all out. So now that we're here, yeah, here we are. So I'm just gonna hope maybe that April is, I don't know, a little bit better. I don't know. We'll definitely see. I'm gonna give the subscription a try. I guess I'll do 3 months. So I'll do March, April, of course, and I'll do May. And then after May, if I'm still not feeling it, then I can always like unsubscribe. But if you guys are loving this and if you guys are interested, definitely check them out. I believe if you want a subscription box, you have to like sign up, send an email, check off, like it's a whole process, it seems. And then of course, because how I'm always saying, like there are just certain things I'm not gonna buy and I can just make myself. Making these stuff takes some time. Like they take a lot of time to make. So I think for me, if I knew what came in the box before getting it, that would actually help me out like a whole lot, instead of like hoping, like I guess I was really thinking like as far as the inserts, they were going to be like monthly, weekly, daily, like that type of stuff that came in here. I really wasn't like expecting stuff like this, but I also get it because it goes with the theme, which is health, movement, you know, loving your body. So I definitely get it. And again, I'm not mad, I'm just giving my opinion. You know, this is my money that I spent, so I'm going to give my honest opinion. All right, so yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. I need to lay all this out so that I can get like a cute little thumbnail. Here we are. Here we are. But all right, y'all, that is it for today's video. As always, I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I am completely going blank on my outro. But yes, leave a comment down below. Why? Because I love to hear from you guys, and two, it does help my channel. So until next time, stay intentional, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.